It's here and I like it. Hello. Today I'll be unboxing and setting up the Arteck HW086 Universal Stainless Steel Wireless Keyboard. This is fresh in from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below, but first let's take a look. I have to say I really like the efficiency of the packaging. It wastes no space. Okay, certified frustration-free packaging. So let's see what's inside the box. Yes, as you can see, it's exactly the keyboard and the charging cable and the wireless nub. It is a compact keyboard, 86 key layout, and here are my hands for scale. It is small, perfect if you have a short shoulder width or if you're on the go and need space efficiency. Okay. So here is the keyboard. Very thin, and it is really sturdy, as you'd expect from stainless steel. This is solid. And there's a manual here. Good, bad, so far good. And here it explains what you get. So there's a power switch on the bottom, and the light, and the charging port, and the charging light. Okay, so since it's fresh out of the box, I assume I will need to charge it first. I am a barbarian. So let's get the keyboard plugged in and charging. Okay, so here's the charging port. It's a bit snug. That's good actually, I don't mind that. Alright. So I've plugged it into charge, and here you can see the red light indicating charging, and when it's fully charged it will become green, or maybe blue. We'll see. I've gone ahead and plugged the USB dongle into my computer over there, and when you're ready, you can turn it on and try it out. I've had mine charging for a couple minutes, so let's see where the switch is. Oh, look at that finish. That is sexy. So I have to put the power switch in the on position. So I'll go ahead and do so. And I got some kind of green light that flickered. It's off now. And let's see if it's good. I am getting response in my computer, so we're up and running. What else? I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah. We get a blue light with caps lock. Kind of, it seems like it's sticking there. We'll see. But on the screen it appears to be correct. Alright. So that is it for the Arteck keyboard. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for other videos.